we turn the light on at that side and this side while it's going dark. We'll do a painting. Now, we could do any kind of a painting, can't we, really? But which would we do? Look at the size of that brush, it's massive, isn't it? I think it's a little bit too big, really. Oh, that brush is hard, that. Okay. I'll not wet it in. I'll use this brush. It's getting worn a bit. This one's really worn, look at that. Really worn. But that's handy for doing trees and that when it's worn like that. So I'll start off and I'm just wondering whether we should do a winter scene or not. But we've done so many, haven't we? Eh? So we'll see. I'll do a water scene. Eh? Yeah. So we'll have to use some blue in the sky, ultramarine, eh? And there may be a little bit of Prussian blue or anything like that. I'll try a bit of Prussian, see what happens with it. Now this is a bit of Prussian. It's not a bad colour, that, for a blue in the sky, is it? Now that's coming down to smaller clouds here. A lot of small clouds. And that's one biggish one over the top. And then I'm brushing it out like that. It doesn't take long to ruin a brush, but we'll see how we go on with it. Now I'm just rubbing some light red in now. Now a bit more. I must fill my palette up, it's getting a little bit dry. Now that's your light red. But it's not you touch it into these blue patches and it won't be so bad, you see, because as soon as you touch it into the blue it becomes a grey, which is natural, isn't it, in the sky, you know. So if we do this, now that's enough. Right, well, I'll dry that off quickly. Okay, now this is one for our brushes, for our trees, isn't it? So if we don't, we just have low-lying trees, eh? We'll do what Mrs. Seagull did one. It was like this. It was like yellow ochre, but a bit of yellow in it, like lemon yellow, which is, it makes it look a bit greeny. This is yellow ochre. Can you see? Difference 30. There is a difference, can you see it? It's perhaps a little bit of brown into it. This is already burnt umber, sorry, but you see what it's like. Now this was how it, if I remember. Now we'll do it a bit more, dry it off again. Now remembering this one, yeah, the tall tree at the side of a house here. Oh no, if I remember rightly, the house was about here and the roof went down like that. Now, there was a browny red kind of a tree here, but it was like this. Now, it would be a bit darker than that. Let's put a bit of blue in it. To there. And across here, it had more of this browny colour. And then he had the yellow, a yellowy mix here, coming into here. And another yellowy mix, just outside of the house here. Coming across. And let's see. Oh, he had another little house that I remember there. But it's funny. Oh. Like, so, he had some reddy patches in these too. He put red in his foregrounds with his greens. I think that was more of a red, so it would mix a red with a yellow, and it was a biting red like this. Just there. Some nice reddy colours in it. Like that. He had one more red one here. Perhaps a little bit of dark in it. No, that was not much different than what it was finished like this. Something like this. And I don't think we're so far up here. This is what it was like. Now I think this is more or less what it was like. Now, he never did put much in his paintings, did he? Never. Mind you, he had beautiful skies. They weren't. I think there were different skies than this. They were different, but they were. They were more vicious skies, weren't they? They were nicer. Very nice skies. No, what he did, he started his, he didn't have no branches, it was burr around here. No. And that's it. No, I've not put much in that again, have I? They're so easy to do, these little paintings. So, thank you for looking in. Have I got something in? Yeah, something to do with there then. Okay, thanks for looking in, everyone. I hope it's okay, this one. Take care.